We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you...
Magandang umaga guys. It's 7:30. Punta kami dun sa Jansan Fishport. Marami sa inyo ang nagsabi, diba, na puntahan namin. Pero mahirap sa amin ang gumising ng umaga guys kasi may trabaho pa sa gabi. But we really tried. Then, nagka-aberya pa. Hopefully may abutan pa tayo doon. Lumabas kami ng mga around before 7. Pero 7:30 na nandito pa rin kami. Hopefully may tuna pa tayong maabutan.
Yeah.
Are you excited to see big tuna, Ryan?
Yeah.
Daddy Nam's new favorite.
I really want to see how big this is.
Dito na kami guys. Look at that train.
Big tuna na yan.
Big tuna. To go to Market 1 to rent boots. You just put there. Nakabutan na. Wow! Ang laki! Yeah. Ang dami guys. It's an auction also. Yeah, they will clean. They said they will clean, they will slice also. Yeah.
Picture.
It's heavy. Pilhin namin yan guys.
Morning by Mom, the Marlins. Asan si gikan mo?
India.
Ispan mo? Iya, enak deh. Parang taon dulu. Really good.
Grabe ang lalaki. So huge, right? They're just carrying it like that, Ryan. The tuna. Wala.
Akin bang? Salamat.
Look at him, Ryan. They're weighing it.
They are unloading from their seat. Can you walk without a seat? Yeah, like that? I cannot.
I think still tuna. Okay.
Wala na na siya ay bukog. Wala di ang bukog.
Okay.
Masugpan ni mong kini sa baw. Kina. Loins na tawag loins. Wala na ay bukog tanan. Pwede na siya kilaw. Pwede mo sa baw mo na.
50 per kilo?
79 kilos.
Oh, okay. Yeah. My fish eggs daw.
So, bones.
Talaga namin guys, wala na kaming aabutan kasi medyo late na nga kaming nag-start, diba? But good thing, marami pa ring tuna na nandoon and talagang nagda-transport pa sila. I think some will go to different countries studying and different part of the Philippines. And nilalagay nila sa malaking ice box. Then lalagay siguro sa truck then magta-transport na. Nakabili pa kami ng isa guys kasi it's so tempting talaga. Napaka-fresh ng mga tuna. So at least makaisa man lang kami. At may malaking truck na dumaan. How was your experience, guys?
It's very good. As I expected. I saw in videos, right? That big tunas. And it feels like that. So big, right?
It's amazing.
Yeah. First time I'm seeing tuna like real.
It was a very nice and good experience. Some tuna were much heavier and bigger than me. Tuna is now my favorite dish. It's like so tasty and it's very healthy for your body.
And breakfast time. Jollibee time. Ryan. You daddy.
Bacon egg sandwich.
Food. It's for you, Ryan. Oh, I think we need spoon and fork, Daddy. Try daw ni Daddy Ram ang peach mango pie. It's good, right? That's my favorite. That's why I bought two.
Yeah, that's so good.
It's so good, I know.
Mark, your taste is good, Mark.
Favorite ni Mark. Yummy. Nainggit ako. Why? You don't wanna finish?
I like it if you wanna do something.
Ito lang yung tinira niya sa akin. Tapos sabi niya ano daw. Kaya naman daw sa akin. Dalawa rin order ko.
First time.
Bacon sandwich. Daddy Ram. Changing. good, guys?
First time for everything.
Huh?
This is the first time for everything.
It's good? You like it?
It's actually kind of sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet. Like the spaghetti is sweet. Huh? Kinain nila yan yung ano ni Ram. Bacon sandwich. Gustong-gusto daw niya. You want anything else? Not enough? I thought there was hot dog. The guy who took my order was so confused. So, who's ready to eat tuna at home?
My humble request, actually, both of us decided our humble request. You don't do any experiment, keep the tuna as it is, let the old man to cook, okay? We will enjoy. You don't experiment on us, please.
Seriously, I know how to cook, baby.
No, we know your talent, okay? You're
Baby, you're
good
so
at certain
mean.
things. That's why I never see you cook tuna, okay?
It's just fry.
Yeah, what?
Ryan, this is how your dad acting, Ryan.
See, Daddy told me even before you were married and when you did not even come to India, you don't even know how to cook.
Yeah, after she got married, then only she know how to cook, Ryan. She learned. Then one by
I'm
one.
an expert now.
Expert in cooking and other things, not tuna, I mean.
It's been so long since you cooked, maybe even.
Our taste buds changing, we are trying to eat, like we are happy to eat food, don't
Oh my
spoil
god,
it.
this is how, guys, see? See? See, guys?
Don't kill our appetite, okay?
Oh my god, so mean!
This is a roasting day, Ryan.
So mean!
We are not talking about other things. Yeah, other things you are good at it, but tuna, I don't have confidence in you.
No, Daddy!
What about Ryan? Agree with me?
Agree with you.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, okay. No food for 1 week, okay? I won't cook food for both of you, huh?
For 1 week, that
Yes.
means
Yes, you
by
buy
the
your own
time-
food.
By the time, oh yes, you can take KFC.
Oh. He's taking an opportunity, my God. Aming kapitbahay, guys. Nagsunog ng basura. Amoy na amoy dito sa buong bahay. Tapos puno ng usok. Kita niyo ba? Parang nasa clouds na tayo. Dumaan kami sa supermarket kasi kailangan namin itong Minola coconut oil kasi naubusan na. And then, eto, para sa mga kaibigan ni Ryan, ibibigay niya mamaya. Kasi kahapon di ako nag-vlog. Nakamit siya ng maraming friends. Mga more than 10 daw yung friends niya dito na. So, gusto niyang bigyan sila ng chocolate mamaya. Naglaro sila sa guys, sa basketball court. Talagang tuwang-tuwa si Ryan kasi maraming bata. Naglaro sila ng badminton ata. Eto, iron box kasi wala kaming iron box. Yung aming damit puro na, gusot-gusot na, guys. Hindi kami makahanap ng taga-iron kasi dito Sa India, yung parang one of the tradition or customs na may mga nag-iron ng clothes, diba? Kung matagal ka na naming subscriber, alam nyo na yung aming mga damit binibigay lang namin for iron. So, ibabalik nila after 1-2 days. Then, naka-plancha na. Dito, hindi yan practice ata sa Pilipinas. Pero, maraming laundry shop dito. Dito, wala masyadong taga-plancha. Maraming laundry shop. Sa India, wala masyadong laundry shop. Pero, maraming taga-plancha. Yun yung isang difference na pinag-a-adjust namin. Kasi, hindi kami marunong mag-plancha ng aming mga polo shirts or mga ibang formal wear na mga damit or t-shirts. Kaya, ayun, bumili kami ng iron box para hindi naman tayo mukhang kawawa at gusgusin dahil gusot-gusot ang ating damit. Bumili din ako ng cheese whiz, palaman, ito Band-Aid, curly tops, and cotton. Give everything.
Yeah, I think you have.
Where you will go now?
We're going to that place.
Plaza?
Yeah,
Okay.
It's called Plaza.
Yeah.
Basketball court, plaza. Careful, okay?
Okay.
Bye. See you later.
Bye.
Ano sa imo pangalan? Nicholas.
What is it? They become best buddies now.
Yeah. Nakakatuwa si Ryan, guys. Hanggang ngayon, nasa labas pa siya, guys. Alas 5 na. Anong oras kami dumating kanina? Mga alas 12. From that time, naglalaro siya. Minsan, pumupunta siya dun sa basketball court. Naglalaro ng basketball or badminton. Then, umuwi na naman dito sa bahay, kumakain, nagsasnack, na naglalaro ng Legos kasama yung isa niyang kaibigan, yung best buddy niya. Ngayon, nasa basketball court na naman sila at naglalaro ng badminton kasama ang ibang mga bata. Yun din ang ginawa niya kahapon. Talagang gabi na siya umuwi. Siguro mga 6:30 ata. And pinapabayaan lang namin siya na walang time limit. Maglaro ka lang. At least may mga kasama na siya ngayon, guys. At hindi siya nag-iisa dito sa bahay, diba? Kaya gustong-gusto niya talaga na maraming mga bata. Mon is back, guys.
I had so much fun. I even met a small puppy dog.
Is it?
Mm.
But be careful, okay? With dogs, with cats.
Dog statue, cat statue.
You tell us. Always be cautious. But had fun with your friends? Many friends?
Yes. I have many friends.
They let you borrow the badminton racket? The basketball ball also?
Yeah.
Do you remember any of their names? Except Nikolai?
Nicholas.
Nicholas pala.
Jaden.
Jaden?
The one who gave me the shuttlecock. Jaden.
Okay.
And the rest I don't know.
Should remember their names. Tired? Super hungry?
Yeah, super hungry.
Did so well today. Daddy said you lost weight already. Hello, tomorrow you want to play with them again? Dito kami sa labas, guys. Alas 6 na pero maliwanag pa rin. May bakery pala dito. Minute Burger. Ang gustong-gustong itry ni Daddy Ram at saka ni Ryan. May balot din. Gusto ko ng balot. Who wants balot? Hindi ako pinapansin. Who wants balot? Ryan, you want balot? Oh, to open soon. Minute Burger. Gustong i-check ni Daddy Ram ang water refilling station. Ganito pala. Oh. 10 pesos. 10 liters study? 10 pesos? Right?
No, that's big bottle. 24 liters at all.
Is it? Oh. But it's cheaper here.
You don't see that back?
You will be at the back.
What's it here?
Yes, yes. First time now.
Oh, they call it what? What they get? Rice scale. The bike, this is extension. Delhi is here, where is here?
Ikot-ikot lang kami kanina, guys. Now we are back home. Magpapahinga kami ng maaga kasi maaga kaming gumising kanina, diba? So, say bye to them na. Bye, guys!
Bye guys, like, share, subscribe, like, sharing the bell icon. Bye, see you guys. Peace.